Hi guys, this is Adas from Explore and Inspire. I thought to take a short video of today of my little garden, my front porch. So this is my front garden, front porch or garage, and we have a big tree in front of our home which blooms up every springtime, and I have lots of purple flower plants. This is one of them, and this one is just blooming up. See, tiny buds, baby buds. And I have here pink, peachy and white rose. And all these tiny plants down below the roses are strawberries. So we are waiting to get harvest some of our strawberries later in July. Now it's mid-June, and this a bunch of lavender. This is our bunch of lavender. It smells so good. And up front we have a very beautiful flower which has the white petals inside and purple ones outside. And also we have a very tiny purple plant up here and a pot of plant. And right here in front of my home we have a lots of colorful flowers in one pot, mixed flowers that smell so good. And down here a pink flower pot and purple flowers in the middle. And down here, and in this one is full of mint. I can just grab mint from this to do curries and mint cocktail. I just make it out of the fresh mint. And this is our other flower garden. Down here is our tulip and marigold and so many other flower, daisy and so many other flower plants we planted, but it is still growing, hasn't come all the way up yet. And this one is Honeycrisp apple tree. I know it doesn't look like apple tree, but it is an apple tree. We usually get 4 to 5 apples from this. It's a pretty popular in this area in Washington state. That is a little pot in marigold. And this one is our special tree, and the tree gives a purple flower. Let me take that label so you can see how does that look like. Oh my god, it's tied up. Let me go like this way. And it already bloomed, so I don't think it will bloom again. And in here we have this our backyard. In here we planted lots of, down here right there we planted lots of herbs, vegetables, tomatoes in there, the organic fruits and produce right there. And right here I have some more flowery plants, the white flowery bushes, and right there the red one. And every year from our ground to patio side we plant here a yellow and the purple plant in the middle. So see, we try not to step there. It's really beautiful. It's just the vine. It just grows lots of flowers down here. It's already blooming. So we love these plants too. And we have other plants around to get some shade and privacy. So up here, so this is the best time to grow plants here, and we really love it. And I'm gonna go around and show you very special thing I and my boys made over the summer last year. We painted the rocks. We painted the rocks and we put it rock fence wall. So like that, you are beautiful, choose kindness, and be brave, positive thoughts, you belong, and heart, and hello, peace. So we put all around a cute message. Those who visit us, make a wish, and a little heart, shine, change the world, dream, sun, spread kindness. You are loved, you are beautiful. And like that, ladybug, this is our solar light, so it just lights up when there is any more movements in our front porch. So all here, this is our little garden. And we also have here we have a passcode open system right here, and the camera bell, so we can see who is at our door and find out what is going on. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, love you all. Bye bye.